Good morning, rock stars. Michele Vaughan here. So, we are in for a really good one today because I'm going to answer one of my most frequently asked questions. People ask me all the time, what should I eat before my workout to get the best results? And this is really important because we work hard and fueling our bodies the right way will make sure that we maximize all the work that we do to get the best possible results. So I'm going to break it down into 3 easy steps: what to eat, when to eat, and listening to our bodies. So, number one, when to eat to get the ultimate results from our workouts. And most importantly, we need to be intentional about our nutrition. That means eating between 2 to 3 hours before your workout. But that being said, if you get up early in the morning to work out and you probably don't have enough time or that big enough window to eat 2 to 3 hours. So keeping that in mind, if at all possible, eat a small snack 45 to 60 minutes before your workout. That's not always possible either. So tip number one, the shorter the window of time before your workout, the smaller your meal should be to avoid upsetting our stomachs, all right? So tip number two, liquid foods like a shake or a smoothie also have a faster transit time through our stomachs and our intestines, so that could also be a good choice. What about fasted workouts first thing in the morning? So it's true, some studies show that you can burn more fat if you work out on an empty stomach, but studies translates into actual weight loss, they show mixed results. But if your goal is to want to add muscle or to train for peak performance, eating ahead of time can help you get the most out of your workout. Number two, what to eat. Generally speaking, a balanced meal or a small snack of carbohydrates, proteins, and a small amount of fat. So what do I mean by that? Well, carbs. Our muscles run on glycogen, which is carbohydrate, which is the way our body produces and stores the sugar it gets from the carbs. When we do shorter or more intense workouts, the glycogen stored in our body is usually enough to fuel our workouts. But if you're going to go in for a long, low, moderate intensity workouts, our stored glycogen can run out. So we need to add something. Now, protein. Studies show that eating protein before our workout can boost our performance, our muscle growth, recovery, and strength. And fat. There aren't a lot of studies on the immediate impact of eating fat before a workout, but fat is our body's preferred source of fuel for long and low moderate intensity workouts. The problem is that one downside of eating fat right before our exercise is that it can give us a stomach ache since it takes longer to digest. So here are some pre-workout meal and snack ideas for you. Half a banana plus a half a cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, an apple or a handful of grapes, and a hard-boiled egg. A protein shake with almond milk, a half a cup of berries, and a half a scoop of protein powder, a handful of raisins and nuts, oatmeal with almond milk and fruit, a small bowl. Okay, now we have to listen to our bodies. The most important thing that we can do is to listen to our body. This will depend on what your goals are, whether it's physical performance, fat loss, when you work out, or this morning, afternoon, or evening. And we have to remember if we have any health issues. If you do have health issues, you definitely want to check with your healthcare provider or registered dietitian for input and some advice. So I hope this helps. At Beyond Fitness, we focus on simple solutions that help you reach your goals. If you're ready to change your body, set up a free call by clicking on the link below, and we can have a chat. Make it a great day.